I am Kaarina Eerikintytär from SCA, Society of Creative Anachronism, from the Kingdom of Drachenwald, from the Barony of Arnimetsa. I'll be singing you a coronation song which I wrote, Avete Rex et Regina. Today the land is fair with morning, Avete Rex et Regina. With the star king the herald is calling, Avete Rex et Regina. We thank them for the glorious reign, to part with them fills our hearts with pain. But now a new era is dawning, Valete Rex et Regina. A ray of sun will make the day brighter, Ave Rex Novo. And the news make our hearts much lighter, Ave Rex Novo. This land will have a wonderful king, and to his glory shall our voices sing. Fear to boast, the king is a valiant fighter, Ave Rex Novo. The king, he has a gracious queen, Ave Regina Nova. With wisdom such that can rarely be seen, Ave Regina Nova. Her looks, her voice, her every jest will inspire all men to do their best. She is highly praised when she has ever been, Ave Regina Nova. Now you stand before me, hear ye, Avete Rex et Regina. Do wisely hear and swear your pity, Avete Rex et Regina. Yet again our land has been blessed with the king and the queen of the best. Rejoice and join the greeting with me.